Welcome to the heart of industrial manufacturing. In today's video, we're taking you inside a cutting-edge steel factory where raw materials are transformed into some of the most vital products in the world. We'll also explore the support infrastructure that makes it all possible. Steel can be made using two methods, the blast furnace and electric arc furnace. In the blast furnace, iron ore, coke and limestone are mixed and heated to produce molten iron. In the electric arc furnace, recycled scrap steel is melted down using powerful electrical arcs, turning it back into molten metal ready for refining. The steel is then cast into shapes like billets, bloom or slabs using continuous casting machines. These shapes are then passed through rolling mills to create beams, bars, or thin sheets of steel. A steel factory isn't just about production, it's about efficient management. The admin block houses key departments like HR, procurement, and logistics. Steel production is energy intensive, but this factory is committed to sustainability. From solar panels on the roof to recycling steel scrap, we're working to reduce our environmental footprint. To recap, steel plays a crucial role in modern society. The factory you've seen today combines advanced technology, quality control, and efficiency to produce the steel that shapes our world. If you found this tour interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of manufacturing and industry. Drop us a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes tours. See you in the